everyone, this is Aisha of Elaborate Designs by Aisha, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be participating in a collab, and the title of the collab is Summer Lantern 2019, and the host is Kenya Decor Corner. Don't forget to go over there and check out her channel. So let me show you the lanterns that I have decorated. Okay, so I will be showing you my lanterns that I have decorated for the collab. And as you see, this is the lantern that I decorated. This is a red lantern, and it has the little, like the little black lines coming through it. It's more like maybe like a farmhouse type of look, and it's red. And I purchased this lantern at Kirkland's. It's been about a year ago when we first moved in our home. And on the inside of it, I have the candle that I hauled, that was on my haul that I did on yesterday. And this is the pineapple scent candle. And as you see down at the bottom, I have included some seashells. So I'm making this like a seashell type of lantern. And the theme of it, I was doing more like a lighthouse tower theme, because I have included a light in the back that I will be lighting when it becomes night and let you all see how it looks. And when I turn the light on in the back, and I'm going to show it to you, it's just a little LED light that I purchased from IKEA. And when I turn the light on, the light comes up and it comes out through this little space right here, just like a lighthouse. And I will be showing you that. Okay, and this is a bow that I made, and it's gold, and this is black, white with the gold trimming. And I purchased these ribbons from Sam's Club, and it was an after Christmas sale. They were 50% off. So I wanted to add that to my lantern to give it a different color, a different vibe. Okay, that's the first lantern. And as you see, here's my other lantern right here. And I have done another bow, the same color as the bow on the other side. And I give you a better look at it to see how it looks. And that's the gold bow. It's really beautiful. And everything is the same. This is another candle. I purchased 2 of the pineapple candles from World Market. And like I said before, I have a shopping haul on that. And I have included seashells at the bottom. Okay, give you a better look. And these seashells I got from when me and my husband, my family, we went to the beach. So I actually collected seashells on the beach. And so I wanted to add them into this lantern. And as you see, I also put a light here on this one also, so that when I turn it on at night, it will come through this same area and it will look like a lighthouse. And I have included the lanterns here on my table. And I added just this little centerpiece in the middle. And I'm going to show you how it looks together, all together on my table. It's just a little simple lantern with a little simple centerpiece there in the middle. And I may leave it here on my table, or I may take it over to my fireplace and see how it looks down at the bottom of my fireplace. And I will let you see how it looks there. Or should I keep it here on the table? I want you all to let me know in the comment section below what you think. So let me go over here and show you how it looks in my at my fireplace. Okay, so here I am in my living room, and I'm at my fireplace where I told you that I was thinking about adding the lanterns also. And there's the lanterns. So I want you all to be the judge and let me know, should I leave my lanterns in here or put them back on my table? And I just want to thank Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner for hosting this collab. I have really enjoyed this collab and decorating my lanterns. And I hope that you go and check out all the other participants, as well as go over to Kenya's Decor Corner and check out her channel. She has some really great videos. And now I will show you how it looks at night. Alright, so I wanted to show you the lanterns when it's dark. And as you see, this is how it looks. The light is on and it's shining through that area that I was telling you about. And here's the second lantern. And I just think it is gorgeous, so pretty. So I just wanted you all to see that. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment below and let me know which area should I have to keep my lanterns in. Should it be here in my living room or should it be at my table? Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.